If you want to use dictation on iPhone 17e, it is pretty straightforward. So convert your speech into a text. Once you open the keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone over here in the bottom right corner. If you tap on it, and of course allow the keyboard to use the dictation, we're gonna tap enable dictation over here. You can also improve Siri and dictation if you want to, so you can share the data with Siri and dictation, of course. If not, then you can tap on that now. And once it is activated, your speech should be converted into a text, as you can see over here. Once your speech is done, once you end your speech, your sentence, anything, then the microphone should be automatically disabled. But in case that doesn't happen, you can of course tap on the microphone again. And in case for some reason you don't have the microphone available in this place, what you can do is you can go to settings. Then over here we're gonna proceed to the general option, and then in the general we can go to keyboard settings. Now over here in keyboard settings we can find enable dictation option, so of course you want to make sure that it is on. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.